Namaste all. Welcome to Tingling Taste Buds. So today we are here with some street food which is from North India. So we are going to make khasta kachori and it goes well with chickpea curry, but today we will be going to make it with potato. Okay, so let's get started. For this we need yellow pulses, which is also called moong dal, which has to be soaked for 3 to 4 hours. I have already soaked it and grinded it. We need chilies, we need ginger. Here is garam masala, jeera, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, turmeric, and this is amchur powder, which is called dry mango powder. We need a little bit besan, potato, some tomatoes chopped. This is all purpose flour, which is called maida, water, and of course oil. Okay, so let's get started. Keep the pan for heating and let's make the stuffing for the khasta. So we need to put little bit of oil. Let the oil heat up. Just give a pinch of jeera to it. When the jeera starts, like cracking, put the mixture of dal into the now we have to just fry the dal. Now in this stage only we just need to put half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of green chilies. If you like it more spicy, you can add more green chilies to it. As of now, my flame of gas is on high. Later we will get it to medium and then low. So just on high flame we need to fry this. So as you can see, we are frying the dal. This is the time when you add 2 tablespoons of besan to it. And salt as per your taste. You need to stir it well. This is the time you will also make the gas on the lower flame so that your besan doesn't get burned. We need to make the stuffing like a crumble. So you need to fry this very nice. This will need a little more time. So let's just leave it and get to our dough. So here we have maida. I have taken 1.5 cup of maida. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of oil to it, pinch of salt. That's it. With water, you have to just make a soft dough. The dough should not be hard. So just mix the oil and the salt properly, and then slowly you just need to add the water. Okay, so you can see our dough is done. Now we'll keep it aside to rest for some time. And here our dal or the stuffing is also ready. So somewhat it will come to this consistency after 10 minutes maybe. Now you just switch off the flame and let it cool down. Till the time it's getting cooled down, let us start preparing for our potato curry. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. The oil is all heated up. Now we need to add here half a teaspoon of Jeera, 1 teaspoon of green chili and 2 teaspoons of ginger grated. Just give it a stir. Now here we add in our tomatoes. This is 2 large tomatoes I have taken. The flame should be on high. Now the best way of cooking tomatoes faster is to add a little bit of salt to it. Now here you add half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili. This red chili won't make it spicy, it's just to add in some color to it. Give it a stir. And we'll keep it aside, like let the tomatoes cook for some time. Till the time our tomatoes are getting cooked, let's just take a fork. With the help of this, just crush the potatoes. You don't have to like mash it up, just break it down in tiny bits. Here I have taken 2 big potatoes. Actually, you know, I like to use my hands. It works better than a fork. So after this, we'll add this into the tomatoes. Now you mix it well. Here we are going to add 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder, which I told you is mango powder also. Dried mango powder actually. A little bit more. Remember this, we don't need to cook after adding this dried mango powder. You should not cook something for a longer time, because this gives a bitter taste to the, you know, the curry. So let's just cook it for 2-3 minutes. Now we'll add in half a cup of water to this. Give it a stir and now lower the flame, let it cook. Till the time we get back to our dal, and now it's a little bit cooler. So you know, you have to take it like this and just rub it between your hands. So the big chunks which are there will be like broken. So our potato curry is ready. Now here we have already made preparations for making the khasta. So you need to take a medium size ball for making one single khasta. Just press it with your hands. Make some space for your filling. Pour 1 teaspoon of filling inside this and again close it. After closing, just give it a roll, and with your hands only, first with your hands try to press it a bit so that the stuffing, you know, spreads inside evenly, and then with your rolling pin Just give it a roll. So our khasta are ready. Now let's put them in the oil. So slowly, be careful. The flame of the gas should be on medium. Don't fry like we fry puris. This has to be, fried slowly. Wait till it turns brown from one side and then turn it to the other. You see the color coming? So slowly let it fry. So our khastas are done. This is the time when you take them out on a plate. And let's get them ready for plating.